What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here at High Fly Aviation. So today we got an awesome video. We do have an antique aircraft. So we got a 1947 Bonanza, but not just that, guys. We don't have just one Bonanza. We have two. Behind me we got one right here, another one back there. Let's switch the camera around and unmask this aircraft back here.
Alright guys, so I will be doing a voiceover on this 1947 Bonanza, and I do actually want to talk a little bit about it. So I don't know if y'all are aware of Bonanza Society, but anyways, if y'all are or y'all are not, but anyways, this aircraft was actually on the front cover of the Bonanza Society magazine for 2021, as I'm about to show here. Alright guys, so this aircraft is pretty rare, and we were lucky enough to get our hands on this aircraft and got to paint it actually, because this is actually the oldest Beechcraft Bonanza known of today that still flies. So yeah guys, 1947, that's just crazy how this aircraft is that old and it looks that amazing. But anyways, I do want to talk about more stuff that was been going on at the hangar. Alright guys, well, it is close to the end of the video guys, but before I end it, I do want to show y'all these aircraft right here that I was not able to record, unfortunately. But honestly, these aircrafts turn out amazing guys, so just enjoy these awesome quick footage of these previous aircrafts that came to this shop, but I was not able to record.